my friend.
Naked Wombats!
I've been having to cope on inferior instant coffee, so let's fix that up, eh? Coffee machine. Let's open it up. It's on its head. Yeah, let's have a look at this baby. Plastic to pollute the environment with. Tony Abbott will be happy. And here we go. That's the box. Pull out his tongue. Pull off his scalp. Book. Tell me how to do things such as wash in the washing machine, I suppose. A dishwasher. It's stuck. Bastard. Ow, ow, ow. Come on. Then it is. Milk cup. Slice. Nice. Do 2 cups at once. Cup measurer. And now to take the condom off. Interesting look inside. Everything. So, holds it in place. Another condom. Doo-doo. And of course, the backpack. Backpack. I love you, servant of the almighty coffee bean. It's time to reconnect to the god and goddess of the almighty coffee bean with my lovely new servant. Beautiful. After a bit of perusing the book, the red thing is a floater. When it comes up, it's full. That's good. Still trying to just do it all the time, I'm guessing, or when it floods. Usually about $200. I got this for $100 from Target. Good. Now to fill it with water and christen it. The sunbeam heats the milk a lot faster than the heats the steaming water for the milk a lot faster than the Breville. So here we go. Get this down here a bit. Where is it? Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. And the donut. It's been a while since I made it, so it could be disgusting. It's nice. Gotta get my practice back up. It's not as thick and creamy, my cappuccinos, as I usually do it, but it's gorgeously nice. None of that half-assed instant coffee bullshit. Oh yeah. Back to healthy living once again, eh? Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love you, coffee machine.